Hi, welcome back to Riley's Science Channel. This is
Riley. Hi.
Hi, and I'm Daddy, Jeff. And we had so much fun making our flirt video, or our slime video. Show them the slime, so we can show you what the finished product is.
Yeah, that's the finished product.
That turned out really, really well. I mean, it's just like the stuff that you would buy in the store. So good job. And I like the color too. Good job, baby girl.
Pretty.
So we had so much fun doing that one that we decided we wanted to do another one right away.
Yeah, we're gonna use green.
Well, we got to tell them what it is first. What are we gonna make?
I forget what it's called.
We're gonna make blobs in a bottle.
Blobs in a bottle.
Blobs in a bottle, kind of like a.
No, bubbles in the bottle.
Well, they're gonna be blobs. Blobs.
Then.
Anyway, blobs in a bottle, or like a makeshift lava lamp. Okay.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna need for this is a
Flashlight.
1 liter clear. Well, we can't. It's daytime. We can't do that. So a 1 liter clear bottle. Okay. You're gonna need some vegetable oil, right?
Vegetable oil. It's heavy.
That's heavy. And 3/4 cup of
Water.
water, right?
You can drink. That I want to drink right now.
And oh no, all right, we need that for the experiment. And what else are we gonna add to it? You already said it once. Food coloring. Food coloring.
Food coloring.
And you can use any food coloring you want, but
Green
today,
food coloring.
Riley picked green. Okay, so you kind of want to make sure there's still a little bit of water left in here, but you want to make sure it's cleaned out. And then
Because my dad just watched.
I just washed it, yeah. And so we're gonna first add our.
Water.
All right.
Dump it in.
I'll dump this in. All right. 3/4 cup water.
The whole entire thing.
All of it we should use?
Yeah.
We should use all of it?
Yeah, that's what they did in the.
Not why I know. Alright. Okay, and then on top of the water, if you remember back from, what was it, 7th grade? Oh, you haven't even been there yet. But when you go to science, your first science classes, you're going to learn that water is more dense than oil. So, when you pour in the oil, it should set right on top of the water, right? Right. So,
It won't even float down into the water yet.
that's right.
It's
That's
gonna
right.
stay in there until we put something else in.
That's right, baby girl. Good job. Alright, I should have had this opened up already, but I didn't. So there we go. We got that.
Just
It's easiest to use a funnel, so I made one kind of out of paper. And to make it easier, so it won't separate, or so it'll stay separate, you'll kind of want to tilt the bottle a little bit, all right, and it won't agitate the water as much. So what you're going to do is it's going to mix a little bit, but then you let it rest for a little bit, and it will separate on its own.
See,
so
it's staying up top.
That's right.
Water is heavier.
That's right. Oh my girl, you just really made me happy there. Oops, pouring a little bit too much in at the time. So what you're going to want to do is, this is going to make a lot of parents happy, you're going to want to fill it up almost all the way to the top. Alright? So once it gets, you just want the longer effect. You don't have to, but you want to have the biggest effect that you can have.
That doesn't feel like anything when I touch it.
Well, I know, your fingers are probably slippery.
Doesn't
Right.
feel like anything. It just feels slippery.
Oh, you're shaking me all over the place there, goofball. Alright, so almost there. I should have actually made a bigger funnel. That's alright. Right?
Right.
Right. That's my girl.
Right.
A little bit more, you think?
Yeah. That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Or is that enough?
Wait, make it all the way up to the tip of the tongue. Funnel.
A little bit more? Alright, we'll do a little bit more. I'm with you. We'll wait till the funnel's underneath. Yeah, okay, now it's not. Okay, now that we have all of our oil in the top, what do we add next?
I forget.
Food coloring, that's right. Okay, unscrew the food coloring.
Hard.
Get this out of the way. Oh, we didn't open that one yet. From the oil. Alright. Okay, kind of kneel up a little bit. Let me get this out of the way.
How much should I do?
Then put in some, and you'll see. Oh, that's all right. You'll see it go all the way through the oil, but with something. Okay, that's good. and something interesting is going to happen when it gets to the bottom. All right? It might not happen like right away. Oh, there it goes. As soon as it hits the water, because this food coloring is water soluble, as soon as it hits the water, right, it kind of fizzes out a little bit or spreads out a little bit. Right?
They're all like exploding.
They are exploding, kind of.
Awesome.
Okay. Now, what makes this lava lamp work?
It's not a lava lamp.
Well, okay, it's blobs in a bottle, right? What makes this work is you need some sort of fizzing tablet. All right, I didn't mention that at the beginning because I forgot. Yes, you can. But like an Alka-Seltzer or something like that. That's what's going to work. So while it was in the package, I just broke it up into smaller pieces. All right. So the Alka-Seltzer itself won't react with the oil, but it will react with the water. So once we get down there. It's, there you go. Here, take those pieces. Just drop them in there.
When, right now?
Go ahead. And see, it goes all the way through the oil, and when it gets to the water, it starts fizzing up.
Hurry up.
And it's creating carbon dioxide, and those carbon bubbles, here we gotta get it closer so they can see them. Those carbon bubbles are filling up with the food coloring. All right? So, look at that. Wow, that's a good one.
God!
I know, right? You like that?
Look at that. It's kind of like a volcano.
It's like a little volcano because we put a whole bunch of it over there.
I just saw a huge one.
And
if you just keep on adding them.
Well, okay, yeah, you can add those.
Bubbles.
Keep adding them.
They'll be bigger.
And you can make it as big and powerful as you want, but that's really cool. That turned out better than I thought it was going to.
Oh my God.
So let me back up just so they can kind of see the bottom.
That's
Most of it's just water and food coloring down there.
What?
And just the reaction that's going on. Oh, you guys got to see this.
That is so
Let
much.
me bring that closer. Look at that. Now that are blobs in a bubble. That is blobs in a bubble right there.
Better than
They're a
those.
bottle, not a
Better
bubble.
than those and that.
So,
Wait, no, look at the bottom. There's huge. It's like rain, green rain. With some.
Isn't that amazing? It looks like a whole bunch of little jellyfish. But the cool thing about this is
you
that
have another packet of them?
we got one more, but just hold on a second. This is cool, and what's really, really cool about this is once the reaction is done, I don't have it with me, but once the reaction is done, all you got to do is put the cap on the top and save it for later. And then when you want to show your friends or show your family what you did, all you got to do
The bottom kind of looks like soda.
take the cap off and drop in another fizzing tablet, and it will fire right back up again. All right? So that's some pretty cool science. There was some science behind that one, right? Because we showed different densities of material, right? Because you had water on the bottom and oil on the top. Then we dropped in the fizzing tablets, and it created all that carbon dioxide. It made all the little bubbles that carry. Look at how some of them are just sitting in the middle there. That's really, really neat.
Some big ones are underneath them. Can we add
So,
some more stuff?
We will. Let's say goodbye to everybody first, and then we will. Okay? All right. Thanks again for watching Riley's Science Channel. This was our second experiment. It worked pretty good, didn't it? My girl. All right. So we'll think of something else to show you, and and our slime. Yeah, we did the slime. Watch our slime video. So what we want you to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel, right?
Totally.
Totally. And we'll see you next time. All right. Thanks.